This is Matt from MGMT Boston. On this episode of Lantern, we are with Johannes, the co-founder and CEO of Diffraqtion. Johannes, what are you and your team building?
Hey, nice to have you here at Greentown Labs. So we are building the world's first quantum camera, which can see further and think faster than a conventional camera and GPU. It's actually right here. So this is our quantum camera. So the form factor, we have a lens, and we put it in different applications. So it's physical AI, can go everywhere in like a drone, a car, a robot. But we start with satellites, as you can see. This is the original size of a satellite. This satellite can see, if it were in space right now, it could actually see us from up there and give us Earth intelligence. So we're going to build a network of these guys, fly them in low Earth orbit, and get Earth and space intelligence.
Really cool time to be having this conversation on the heels of the Artemis mission. There is a lot of excitement and I think, just renewed momentum around space programs and what can be done above the atmosphere. So it's 2026, getting into the deeper part of the year. What are you excited about? What are you working on with your team that you would share with the community?
Well, so we're very excited to run the first demo of this camera in one of the largest telescopes in the United States, a 3-meter telescope.
Wow.
We're actually going to go there right next week and put it in. So we have a DARPA NASA contract that makes us test this at the biggest, most complex environment we can get it in. And they will show us and bring us to technical readiness level 6, which is basically ready to deploy. And we're going to build a little network of these small cameras and a bit larger telescopes too, which give ground-based intelligence before we shoot it into space next year. So we have a very big year this year with a lot of advancements and making this into contracts with our current customers so that we can start shooting this guy to space.
A lot of milestones we will be watching. Congrats on the progress so far.
Thank
now,
you.
What have you learned building this company through your career prior with all of the sort of academic learnings that have led to this commercial entity? What would you share with other maybe technical builders about bring all the pieces together to scale a startup?
So the big thing is if you're doing deep tech, so this is at the bleeding edge of tech. So you need people from quantum, from optics and photonics, from AI, and people who know how to deploy this, so basically in space, but also for the end customers. So talent, right? So how do you get the talent in there? How do you attract also the big talent? And since we do have a component for defense, but also a component with space, we did take an active decision to build publicly. So we are very public about both what we built, capabilities. We give a lot of talks. I've been in like maybe 30, 40 talks at this point, some across the world. And I think the main point for that is to bring talent in. And if you need such a diverse talent and you need the best in the world to get them in, it does pay out even if you do something like this to build it publicly. Get the right talent to start building this. And also, interestingly, get end customers to come to you who you wouldn't think would come through a PR, but they would come through some press release that they read in some relevant article. So that's our approach, building publicly, showing what we do, show the science, get people excited to join us.
Unsurprisingly, that resonates with me. Open the funnel up, it helps. And last but not least, how can we help you? How can we help Diffraqtion grow here in Boston and globally?
It's funny, I had often the conversation with people who say, hey, you're doing a space company, why Boston? Because when everybody else in El Segundo or in Colorado, right? So that's kind of the main things. But both myself, I'm an MIT grad, my co-founder is an MIT grad and professor, my other co-founder, Christine, is a Harvard PhD. So we all have this network here, and we also think there is massive talent that is untapped in the region that would love to do really, really cool stuff, like bring things into space, and also stay here. So you have both acquisition and retention. So we try to get closer and closer also to the ecosystem of both MIT and Harvard. And we'd love also more support from governments, state government and local government that also helps us build out capabilities, because we want to mass manufacture this and this, which means we want to expand the capabilities, hire more talent, start building this. So we would love to get all the dots connected to be able to pull this off and stay in Boston.
You have our support. Congratulations on what you've accomplished so far. This is Johannes, the co-founder and CEO of Diffraqtion, Matt from MGMT Boston on this episode of Lantern. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks so much for coming.